limiting the amount of large trucks along Haynie Street. That's what a new city ordinance hopes to address. Neighbors living along Haynie Street express concerns about the amount of cars using it as a cut-through for Church and Augusta streets.
And cars will be backed all the way up to here, cutting through. So we're definitely noticing a lot of that.
Greenville City Council heard their concerns and took measures to address it. The city now owns Haynie Street, formerly owned by SCDOT. The city also created an ordinance restricting trucks with more than 6 wheels and added signage notifying drivers of the restrictions. Delivery trucks and utility trucks like these would be allowed. However, large 18-wheelers like this are not allowed on Haynie Street. There are also truck restrictions along Park Street, Ridge Road, and Butler Road.
We are currently working with several of our neighborhoods that have had complaints about the through truck restrictions, and hoping we can, warn the drivers that are driving these trucks.
We're thankful to the city for the ordinances and the support that they've provided to us to date. And we're certainly hoping that over time that this will also actually improve and change.
The goal is to increase safety and reduce the amount of noise in neighborhoods. I'm Lauren Thomas for the City of Greenville.